everyone, welcome back. In today's video we will learn how to do watercolor in a tree, and we are starting here with only water. You can see I'm just putting water on my sheet and creating a shape of a tree which we're gonna make. So as if you are having any experience in watercolor, you will know what I'm doing, and if you are a beginner, that's for what I'm making this video. So when we put waters on a sheet, and whichever area you cover with the water, and then we put some watercolor on it, then the color will cover only the area which we have put water on it. So you can follow this technique. It's a beautiful one in the watercolor. You can say it's a basic one. So this is how we have given all the base with the lemon yellow and water. And now similarly we will put our second layer of color, which will be light green. And if you have seen my previous video of that watercolor part 1, in which we have done a pine tree, you will be aware of what we are doing here is a wet wash technique. In this we put colors above the wet color. We don't let it dry, just we put layers and layers of color, first yellow, then green, light green, dark green, all above the wet color only. So this is how we are doing, and the third color we are using here is a dark green. If you want to learn how to make these trees, you can watch these videos. In them I have given a tutorial of how to color them with oil pastels, and of course how to draw them step by step. Let's move to the brown color. Again, wet wash technique. My base is still wet and I'm pouring the brown color in the stem area. And let's just talk about the brush. Brush I have received in this color cakes, watercolor cakes palette, and this I have received this color, and I'm putting the same colors which I have used. And now you can see the sheet is dry here. I'm taking this clip after dry the sheet. So you can see I'm using this teal color, which you can make by mixing blue and dark green. I've given the side picture of that color, and in this we are using a dry technique of watercolors, and let's just see how I'm going to do it. And here you can see I'm mixing brown with the same teal color which we have made by mixing blue and green, and this will become a little darker brown, which we're going to give the shadow part or the dark area of the trees. And here we are using yellow, lemon yellow in the base, and here I'm putting these colors we have used. First we have used the lemon yellow, then the light green, teal green I have given already, and the dark brown also. So you can see these pictures, and this is a dark green also we have used in the wet wash technique. So you can watch the steps, and one more video I'm going to share with you after this on next Thursday. As you know, we always share on Monday and Thursday videos. And if you want to learn your syllabus, your art, new things, you can just subscribe my channel if you're new, and if you're old, you can just scroll the playlist for more videos. And here we are giving the final touches. Let's just use this, and this is my favorite thing to do in the watercolors, to spread the colors drops just like this. I still wanted to give some more darker shades, so I'm just putting it after drawing all the base. So let's just do it. Thank you everyone for watching the video.